Hi, I'm Paul with MarineMax here in Houston, and I'm aboard one of our most exciting boats. It's a 500 Fly by Galeon. This boat is packed full of features and is a joy for anybody to drive, but even one person can operate it, even though it's a 50-foot yacht. I want to start in the back here. We've got a hydraulic swim platform that lowers down into the water. As it lowers, the stair steps graduate with it. She'll drop down about 2 feet below the water surface, giving you great access if you want to float a dinghy on it, or if you just want to use it for a little swim platform for the kids. This is another one of the greatest features about this boat. The boat comes configured two ways in the back. This one's got a dinghy garage and a pivoting aft seat. We also offer it with a permanent aft seat and a cruise quarter in the back. Check out this neat feature here. She pivots all the way around, gives you access to the dinghy garage underneath. A little extra storage here for ropes and whatnot. Come on aboard, let's check out one of the main reasons we're showing you this boat. The 500 Fly is already a huge boat, but what makes this boat special are these fold-out sides. They have a couple of switches. You just flip a few switches, plug in the fence post, and you've got a deck that extends each side of the boat almost 3.5 feet over what you already had. So this gives you a great swim deck, patio area. Check out this seat here. Regular bench style seat, but you can actually unfold it and have a nice little lounge area to hang out here. It gets even better. Check out the other side over here. We've got some removable bar stools. By the way, these windows are real easy to open and close on both sides. And you'll notice we've got an aft galley on this boat, which makes this next feature even more fun. We've got a bar that flips up. Great boat for entertaining and hanging out while you're on a mooring. Got a nice sink here, cutting board, plenty of surface area. All this stuff is really easy to remove. Set it up myself in about 5 minutes, and it makes it nice and safe when it's up, but it's real easy to deploy. You just flip a couple of switches and you can raise the platforms back up. Underneath here we've got a hatch that gives us additional access to your dinghy garage underneath. So if you want to store some of your gear or just access the dinghy from here without raising up the hydraulic dinghy hatch, you can do that. In the back here we've got a really nice table, but this table will lower. That's why we have the cushion on here. You can lower the table and make you a nice sun tanning area as well, or just a full lounge bed. All right, let's go check out the top up here. I want to show you the Fly. All right, check out this huge Flybridge area. This is a great area for entertaining as well. We've got a nice Kenyan grill up here, ice maker, cabinet storage, another freshwater system, a table that folds out to give you extra room, lots of seating, and we've even got a two-way seat here for entertaining, or you can flip her back and all your passengers can be looking forward while the boat's underway. Got a beautiful area up in the front with some nice loungers. All of these cushions are easy to take on and off. We've got a second helm up here, so your pilot can operate from here or down below. We'll get to the lower helm in just a minute. If you can come forward a little bit, I want to show you the bow of the boat up here, because once again we've got another area for entertaining. Tons of seating, another table, very unique boat. Let's go down below and check out the interior of the 500 Fly. All right, here's a great feature right here. We've got pocket doors. It's actually 3 different door panels that completely slide, hide away over into here. Gives you plenty of access for entertaining your guests. Another great thing about the having a galley aft on this boat are these pocket doors here. We've got a really nice pull-out fridge here, but we've also got a conventional fridge here with your freezer in the top. convection microwave. There's not an empty place in here that Galeon didn't make storage. There are cabinets everywhere, under the seats, all around the galley. Plenty of storage for your guests. Got a double burner stove here. Another little nice shelf here. You'll notice we have a lot of windows on the boat. Of course, we have the side windows open for the extendable platforms. But one of the great things about this boat is the openness and all the windows. We do have shades to keep it cool or keep it private if you need to. And underneath this panel is a nice TV that pops up electrically, so you can have that if you want. This is a cool feature too. We've got a little modular seat here that you can slide over to the table. And even the helm seat will pivot, so you can have a little entertainment area. Check out the beautiful woodwork on this table. Now, another unique thing about this table being in the salon is it actually will fold down as well. You have a nice cushion that goes on top. So in addition to the 3 staterooms we already have, you can have another sleeping area right here, or just a lounge area for your guests. Beautiful helm. We've got air-conditioned helm. But on a beautiful day like today, we have the side windows open, both starboard and port. You can open these windows. Great for just letting the breeze in, but it also makes it real easy to back the boat in if you happen to be driving from the helm area instead of the upper helm. Bow and stern thruster. We've got twin Volvo diesel inboards. We've got great electronics on here, Raymarine flat screen. The Volvos come with their own computer system here. We've got autopilot, everything you need to operate the boat successfully. And like I said earlier, it's even easy for one person to operate. Air-conditioned vents at great locations to keep everybody cool. Pivot this back over and let you check that out. Now, this boat is packed with features, but we've got a lot more to show you. So we're going to go down below and show you the staterooms. All right, check out the first stateroom we have here. It's actually a little bunk bed area. Lots of room, once again, lots of storage. Great for entertaining. The front of the boat, we have the VIP stateroom. This could normally be a master stateroom. Beautiful woodwork. Nobody does a better job than these guys on the woodwork. Behind this door, we've got a nice flat panel TV. More storage behind me. Come on in and check out the access to the mid-head compartment. You'll notice we've got a separate door there for the shower. We've also got a door here to access it from the mid stateroom over here. There's your master head compartment here. Tons of space, very well appointed. And then a beautiful master stateroom in the back. This is a full beam master. Check out this nice little desk area with a built-in vanity. Storage everywhere. Another TV behind you there. Good sized closet. And under the TV here we have a nice washer dryer. This boat is not only extremely seaworthy, but it's extremely accommodating for you and your guest or your family or just about anything you could want to do with it. It's a pleasure to serve you today. My name is Paul at MarineMax here in Houston. Come check out this beautiful Galeon and some of the many other fine products we have here.